game.
Right.
Just like a double holy stack at the end.
We're
That's just
gamers.
so-
I don't know if I'd go so far as to say we're gamers TM, but
If anyone ever is like, why'd you
Yeah,
take
it's
so
going
long
out
to
on a
clear?
limb.
We're just gonna say that it was cursed as fuck, there were a million reasons, and don't ask.
yeah,
Yeah.
this year is really cursed.
As long as we're geared before ultimate, I don't really care.
Yeah. I mean, that's... I ate all my MP again. It's okay. The game's overrated.
Two. Two.
But I was going to two the entire time.
Uh-huh, yeah, I believe you.
Yeah, you should.
Out of curiosity, did anyone else here in the end might do the thing?
No.
Nope.
Oh,
Just me that time. Good luck.
Oh no, I can't
It's
help
the
you.
curse.
that's a gaslight.
Because right when you said I,
Two.
The fact that it's not everyone all at the same time is what truly confounds me.
I've never heard it, I don't think.
It's been multiple people. I've heard multiple people say it. I just
Yeah.
don't know why it happens, and I don't know why it's only one person at a time.
comes and goes, peaks and valleys.
If I could magically have my OBS sound to you guys, I would do it. But I'm too lazy to invest in external software to do it before Discord. Sorry.
Alright, we need to pick a spot to stack there. People are missing collective.
On the bridge.
Just tell the melee what to do. I'll... Wherever Athena is, doesn't he have something there?
DPS stack, DPS stack.
Oh wait, no, he has something after this.
No, it's, yeah. Go like the back of the bridge towards the back platform.
I mean, I'm gonna miss it.
DPS
It's fine.
spread, DPS spread.
Yeah, I don't hear a human. So
I forgot.
Yeah.
Caracol for that. This was a little lower. Also, will not be shielded.
Like, could you imagine if there was like a split tank buster and I had to wait to know if I was gonna run or not?
Yeah, then you'd have to like do a big weird triangle. It's a good thing the devs didn't try to make you do that.
Yeah, that would be so
It'd be pretty toxic. I stood in the wrong place.
Oops.
I have multiple feline pets. Call that multi-cats.
Nice.
Surecast.
Sure cats.
Cats.
My cats are very decisive. Call that sure cats.
I'm retired. Bye.
Wow! I fucking hate slide casting in this game.
Fight Hades. Not until we fight Hades Ultimate, at least.
Oh man.
I'm not
Jack's
letting you
made it, like,
retire.
another 2
Ashy.
years at least.
I'm not
Ascian
letting
ultimate.
retire before that.
Okay.
I said multiple before, specifically 3, call that triple cats.
You're also very fast. Call it Swift Cats.
Flip cats!
But Chag, are you sure
Am I short?
that I can't retire till he?
Yeah.
Ugh.
What's wrong? Cat got your tongue.
I was really about to make the same pun.
Right, right.
I was gonna be like, what's wrong, Nate? You're quiet. Cat got your tongue.
Amazing.
It'd be so sad if this condense just hit the party. It'd be such tragedy.
If you say if I
You
just
would
rescued you.
never. You
I
would
got
never.
scared.
The
No,
obnoxious part
no.
is you're right, Ray. I would never.
But the
And it's
humans would.
unfortunate.
Look for the behemoth.
This will be the one where it swaps.
Behemoth is at 1. Behemoth is at 1.
Not on my watch.
No,
Oh, it did?
No.
It did swap. Okay, that's fine.
forget what we do for this.
Wait.
You guys are over here.
I
Yeah,
also
yeah.
forgot what we do for this.
I also forgot, I won't lie. Wow.
I don't know,
You
Swift.
murdered my tank! I got her. Oh,
Extra
you murdered him.
flares. Godric's getting auto.
That was
always-
the...
It's
I
always
killed
been
you,
an
I'm sorry.
opposite speed. Sorry.
Yeah. It's just...
Don't get a damage.
How fucking good you.
Yeah.
Boy, I wish I had fucking dark side.
We don't need that where we're going.
I need help. I can't do anything.
Where are we going?
I can give you a single target shield too.
I don't need that much help.
You said help, and I helped. That's all.
Okay, I was very helpful, thank you.
You're welcome.
Glad someone likes me.
You're welcome.
Check for birds.
This Heimer makes that dot useless.
Yeah. Quasar, I'm just shitting it.
Oh, don't worry.
I need someone to two.
Short cast. Sorry, Godric.
Roger, got it.
Be mad when I purposely kill you.
Okay, I'll purposely kill you back then.
No.
Hey, that's fair.
It is
Hold
fair.
rate. Hold 2 minutes.
Hold.
Hold 2 minutes. Hold
Okay, thank
these
you.
2 minutes. Go towards 1.
Equivalent exchange.
We're going to pot after these.
Ooh, got that cast off.
Pot and raid buffs. Go to 2, go to 2. Check your debuffs. DPS spread, DPS spread.
It will be DPS spread again.
DPS spread. AoE, then DPS stack.
Yeah.
DPS stack, DPS stack. DPS stack again. Crossover, AoE.
Oh yeah, that was so comfy, okay.
Yeah. What's damage? Never heard of it.
Yeah, exactly.
Wait for the thing to go off.
I actually rather if I do start early there and I can heal the 4th before that AoE, because there's just forever here. I think we can actually
yeah,
wait
'cause there's-
until the
yeah,
next
there's actually-
star. Yeah,
'cause
there's
literally-
no damage
there's no
until
damage.
harvest. Yeah.
It's actually fucking cringe.
Stay
I'm
at
actually using-
2,
I am
stay
using a
at
stack
2.
though, so I do need mana.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, I will usually X-Cold.
Go towards
Fire.
1, towards 1.
I hate this fucking fight.
I'm gonna call it fight asterisk.
Get ready for harvest. Look for the one
Encounter.
with 2 lemons. Non-tether at 2. Non-tether at 2. Check your things.
I go.
Okay. I can get checked. I
Auto,
got checked.
auto.
Got his thing autoed.
Or maybe there's no autos here. Nope, there's no autos. Never mind.
That'd
it's
be
fine.
fun.
Death
I'm
harvest.
looking.
Look for the
Okay.
behemoth and go relative to your static spots. Behemoth is at 1. Behemoth is at 1. Go to your spots.
Pray more to the right a little bit. Thank you. Right there, right there. You're good.
Yeah, that's much better.
Come in for
Perfect.
heals. Come in for heals.
I'm newer.
Mostly just being the stars, yeah.
Now war, go opposite. Look for the behemoth.
I'm gonna save polos for the Should have to, so I want to kill my starting rage.
Behemoth is at 2. Behemoth is at 2. Check your tethers. DPS Behemoth. The DPS Behemoth.
Oh god.
There we go.
Come in for
Alright.
heals. Come
I
in for
got it.
heals.
You got right. Okay.
Yeah, I got
I'll heal. I'll heal.
Back
Go to 3,
platform.
yeah.
Yep, go to 3.
Alright, this fight's over.
You want me to rip it, I guess?
Yeah, do it.
Yeah.
As long as we don't die to the Almagusts. Healer stacks next.
Yeah, remember the stacks.
Is it worth holding
Yes.
stuff to get into the pots? It is.
Yes, it is.
Uh,
Hold.
Yes, I don't hold that second
Oh.
pot anymore.
Well, I have already.
It's
It's
okay.
okay, it's okay,
I
it's
just-
okay.
I
Go to the
can
left.
burn pot.
And let me just stay here. Finish it off.
You
Pots are
don't
up in
hold it.
15 seconds.
Third one comes up right there. Well, you can use it right there for that setup. 2 minutes.
I'll listen to this one with her.
Yeah, I have neutral here, so.
Okay. Kill this ball. See you later, tree.
Oh, I can macro this like last hit.
Free you later.
As soon as we get hit, it's free heal. Oh my god.
As soon as you killed me,
What
I knew
AoE?
it was high. I knew it was
I'm
high.
sorry. I'm so sorry. I feel
It
really
was meant to
bad.
be.
Nice.
I feel really bad.
The sacrifice cycle
That was-
continues.
That was just the first time.
But don't touch the chests.
Was that on the first Minotaur? Because
Yeah, it
I also was like, wait, how do I do this? We got the tethers. I'm like, what?
Where is everybody?
I don't know.
I knew to cleave. I knew to cleave opposite of the tethers, but I totally forgot where the tethers were, and I was too busy like.
I was like, oh, I form an X with the Minotaur tether, right? Wait, no, not that.
Where is everybody?
Yeah.
Alright.